Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about English vocabulary words. Okay, 5 important English vocabulary words I am going to teach you. So let's begin. The number 1 word is entitlement. Number 1 is entitlement. First spelling is Entitlement. Entitlement. Meaning, what is meant by entitlement? Entitlement means having right to something. Having right to something means it's like a license. Entitlement means it's like a license. So you are getting driving license, right? If you are getting driving license, that's meaning is that you are having right to do driving. If you have right to do driving, then that granted means you are getting permission for that. So instead of using having right to something, then it is called, the English vocabulary word we will use is entitlement, means having right to something. And the next vocabulary word is exaggerate. Exaggerate means, exaggerate spelling Exaggerate. Exaggerate. Exaggerate meaning saying something beyond the limit. Saying something beyond limit. Means if you are saying beyond the limit, if you are telling something that is very beyond your limits, then that is called exaggerating, beyond limit. So the excellent English vocabulary word you will use for saying something is saying something that also beyond the limit, then that is called exaggerate. English vocabulary word is exaggerate. So now third English vocabulary word is downpour. Downpour. Spelling DOWN. Down. POUR. Pour. Downpour. Downpour meaning heavy rain. Downpour meaning heavy rain. Means it's like a thunderstorm. Drizzling. Drizzling means like rain water. You are feeling like drizzling. We will tell some other meanings like showering, rain showers, drizzling. Like if suppose if you have to tell thunderstorm, all these words are the meaning for the downpour. So if you wanted to use English vocabulary word for a heavy rain, drizzling or thunderstorm, all these, then you will tell the English vocabulary word that is downpour. Okay, downpour. And the next English vocabulary word is revamp. Revamp. Spelling REVAMP. Revamp. Revamp means rebuild something. Rebuild something. Rebuilding means what? Like if you wanted to construct your old home, again you want to remake. Means you again if you wanted to rebuild your old home or shop or anything construction, if you wanted to again remake that, again rebuild that, then instead of using rebuild something, then you are going to use the English vocabulary word that is revamp. Revamp. Okay. R-E-V-A-M-P, revamp. That is meaning rebuild something. So the next fifth English vocabulary word is liberty. Liberty. Spelling L-I-B-E-R-T-Y. Liberty. Liberty meaning freedom. Liberty meaning freedom. Liberty meaning you are getting freedom from something. Freedom means it can be like freedom from any organization. Means you are getting freedom from any slavery. If like prolonged slave like being in one organization or in one particular work or in particular home, or it can be anything. If you are not having freedom, and then if you are getting freedom, then instead of using the freedom, then we will use the word, English vocabulary word, that is called liberty. Okay, that's called liberty. Means you are getting freedom from something. So these are the 5 English vocabulary words, daily use English vocabulary words you are able to do in your, you are able to use these English vocabulary words in your daily life. When you wanted to use rebuild something, then you will use revamp. When you wanted to tell about freedom, then you will use liberty. All this entitlement means granted and you are getting permission. All this you are able to use the excellent English vocabulary daily words in our daily life. So if you like my video, please guys like my video, share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for the latest notification. Thanks for watching guys.